This is number 2 in a series of extra special top tips for keto and intermittent fasting. Welcome to the Liz and Skatz channel. Hi, I'm Skatz and I'm a musician and music therapist with type 2 diabetes, but I'm beating it with a keto and fasting lifestyle. So far, I've lost an amazing 55 pounds, but what I've gained in health is so much more. If you want to find out how you can be more healthy, then help us to help you by doing this. Subscribe, and click on the bell. Hello, keto bonitos and fabulous fasting friends. Today's top tip from the land of Liz and Skatz is don't settle for just okay. I see lots of people online who have been really successful with improving their health and sharing it to many subscribers, and their secret is that they don't settle for okay. They don't settle for, oh, that'll do, that'll be fine, we'll get away with that. They don't settle for mediocre. And why is that important? Well, let's look at it this way. Those eyes you're looking through, those windows on the world, and that heart that you feel thumping when you fall in love, and those lungs that fill so you can sing your song, and that stomach that trembles when you're excited, all of those parts that make up you, all of those clever organs, hormones, synapses and muscles, they give you life. And as you look through those eyes from that exquisitely engineered body, there's only one thing of which you can be absolutely sure. You only have one life, and that body of yours is the key to staying alive. So is it really good enough to treat it just okay? Okay isn't okay. Okay is meh, 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 meh. Is it really the best you can do to treat what keeps you alive as meh, 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 meh? That's a rhetorical question. Obviously, your health is very important. And this idea of not settling for just okay works in every area of your keto and fasting lifestyle. For example, food. Don't settle for artificial foods when you can have fresh, local, unprocessed, organic foods that taste so much better. Your health is worth the best. Don't settle for okay.
Research.
Don't just believe the first thing you read or the first video that sounds right. Check out the opposite viewpoints. Then look at what medical research is saying. Look at the whole picture. Then research the research to understand what's behind it. Your body is worth looking after. Don't settle for okay. Okay?
Exercise.
Well, I covered exercise in top tip number 1, so follow the link at the end of this video and watch that. Don't settle for, okay, I'll watch that one day. Watch it today. Your body will thank you, and so will I.
Determination.
Everyone who has succeeded in some way will tell you the same 2 things. Number 1, you will fail along the way. But these failures are just the stepping stones to success. They are the best ways to learn. Number 2, the ones who succeed are the ones who don't give up. They keep on going. They don't settle for okay. So, set yourself a goal, something you really want to achieve. Not an okay goal, but a yes goal. Then, set small, realistic targets along the way and focus on them. You know, if it helps to have mantras or little messages of positivity on post-it notes all over your house, then do that. or if it helps to play this video every now and then to give you a bit of a boost, then do that. Do whatever it takes to get you motivated. But just remember, that life of yours, that body of yours, you only have the one. Well, unless you've got one hidden in the basement, in which case you're a very bad person. And you should not be laughing at that. So, that's my top tip for today. And what can you do now? Well, why not tell us about your yes goal in the comments below? We'd love to hear from you. Or you could tell us what you would like me and Liz to talk about next, because we are here to help you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and click on the little bell so you can be the first to benefit from our next video. And don't forget to watch one of these next. Stay healthy, stay beautiful, and stay in tune with the universe, man. See you soon.